the information controller for the Hitachis, and we will teach you how to put the program inside and let you see the controller is okay or not. This one is a 2097. And now we open the program. Okay, firstly we will select the information for the select. Okay, firstly we need to write the program R5 F6 1544. Okay, we see the Hitachi and two chip information. We select the Hitachi. Okay, because it's the we call the ICF controller. They control the vapor motor and control the air condition and also control the radio. Okay, and now we will download the program. Okay, now we will select the program and open. Okay, now we use the yes. Okay, we will write the program for. Okay, later we will finish writing. Now we test it's okay or not. And this one is information controller. They will offer enough information to the monitor. It's okay. Okay, now we will. Okay, and we also have this monitor. This monitor is a 1076 for the X5G 5B. Or use this monitor. And this one the LCD you see is very good. This one is an original LCD. Okay.